Hey guys and girls, my name's Dan, welcome back to Forge. In this episode, trust me, I'm a blacksmith. I'm going to make this Mandrel for Simon Cooper. So, as you guys know, I have been accepting requests for random tools because I will no longer be taking requests for random tools. I thought this would make an interesting video. This is a Mandrel. Simon's basically ordered... Come on! Oh. Basically ordered a hot cut and a mandrel to go in his into his anvil back at his workshop. I made this today. This is the video. I hope you enjoy it, and I'll see you on the other side. Right now.
Yep.
Yeah. Whoa. Yeah. Hang on. Yeah. 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 Yeah.
Yep.
Yeah. Whoa. Yeah. Whoa. Yeah. Whoa. One more. Ready?
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah. Okay, I hope you enjoyed that. This was great fun making this. It's turned out really good. I'm not quite sure if I'm going to heat treat it or not. I'm going to do a bit of research when I get home as to whether or not like mandrels and stuff need heat treating. If you're forging on them hot, I don't think they do, because there's quite a lot of mass in this. This goes from 55mm to just under 20mm. I think it was 18. So yeah, works really well. I'm really happy with it. It looks really good. And it was pretty good fun making it. I thought I was going to struggle a lot more than I did. So hopefully you like it, Simon. Remember, I'm not going to make tools after the 1st of November. So if you want to get hold of some tooling, drop me an email. The best way to do that is to go over to my website. There's a contact box. Fill that box out. Ping me an email. I'll give you a price for whatever it is you've asked for. After that, there will be tools available, but they'll probably just be hammers and stuff, and they'll be up on an Etsy. Along with a few other items. Yeah, that's everything. So thank you for joining me. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, remember to leave a like and subscribe if you haven't already. And if you are a subscriber, ring that bell for notifications, because it will tell you every time I make a video. And I make videos on a Tuesday and a Thursday. I would say Monday then. A Tuesday and a Thursday, but as often as I can get them out, and there are lives occasionally. I haven't done one for a while. I think this will be out the week after one has come out, so anyway. But I do lives. I do lives from the workshop, do lives from home, do a little bit of chatting and stuff. So hopefully we can do that at some point. And so thank you for joining me. I hope you enjoyed this video. I'll leave a link up here to me making some other tools as part of this month of mad tool making. I'll leave a link down here to another video. This is my Patreon, and this down here is the subscribe button. Thanks for joining us. Bye bye. No!